will remove
Fill that quota.
I'll remove the bit project YouTube. So
That's fine.
delete on YouTube. And I'll go ahead and add Daniel Ken. The Magic of New Relic Dashboard. That's the title of the stream.
Yeah. So yeah, what are we doing today, Shreya?
I'm not sure. So basically, I know for Bit Project, we have like this really awesome summer program starting up, the serverless camp. And the really cool thing about that is that we started integrating New Relic into it this time, right? So that we could kind of get a lot of data on how the students are progressing throughout the curriculum. And that way the instructors can be really on top of it and helping the students if something goes wrong. But today's goal is to go into our New Relic dashboard, see what's going on, and really make it the prettiest dashboard in the world, I believe. Is that right? Yes, that is right. Yeah, so I actually don't have the login to New Relic, so I don't know if you want to give me it, or do you want to screen share, Daniel? Or do we wait for Emily?
No, I'll make you a login. One sec. Keep talking. Hello.
Yes, I will keep talking. So later this stream, Emily will be joining us. She is taking care of some GitHub issue stuff and like assigning stuff right now. So whenever she's ready, she'll go waving her hands like a crazy person backstage. And then
Okay,
I'll add her back.
You should have gotten you should have gotten an invite on your UC.
Email.
Yep.
Okay, cool. Nice burp, man.
Thank you. Today has been a weird day. I've been busy, but not busy.
I feel that. That's interesting. Wow. I have some hot class gossip for you. I did not get an invite. Oh, I got an invite. Accept invitation. Create your password.
Your password should be danielisreallycool.org.
Is it really?
No, you can set it whatever you want.
I'm joking.
Oh.
Update password. Log into your account. Unable to log in. How do I know what the password is?
You didn't you just like wait, this is a Shreya forgot the password she typed in 2 seconds ago stream.
Oh, really? Is it the same password? Well, that's interesting.
I like
This is like helping my grandparents with internet.
Sure is sad. Don't bully Shrey.
Hey, it saved the password. It's not even using the password that it saved. I'm so confused.
Wait, where are you trying to you're sharing your screen. Where are you trying to log in?
Here.
Uh-huh.
No, this is the password that was saved.
Why are you using the New Relic future hack at gmail.com account? Oh. Use a different account.
That's the one that just showed up.
I know, but that's not how logins work. You have to have a username and a password.
Whatever.
Yay.
We got this. Okay, guys. We're here. What do I do?
Click on dashboards.
Yay. Dashboards.
And then click on Instructor Dashboard.
Gotcha.
Wow, look at that.
Look at that. So much red and yellow and green and blue. This is beautiful.
Well, the red is not beautiful.
Can you tell me what's going on here?
Yeah, so on the left, we have kind of like a progress bar of how students are doing. So you can see the EMS, ESC, that's me. And then those are individual repositories that I've created. So those each represent a course that I've started. Once we have real students, they won't be like all me. So they'll have their own progress bars and we'll be able to see how they're doing. And on top of that, what's going to be really cool about this is that we're going to be able to embed these dashboards inside HTML pages. So then it'll be like a live, kind of like a live leaderboard of how students are doing. It'd be like
So
encouraging.
it's a competition.
This is so. Just out of curiosity, this is all forks, or is this just forks that are for?
These are not forks.
Like-
Wait, remember, these are not forks. These are generated templates.
Yeah. So what happens when you start a course? So let's say I like started a course from the intro to serverless thing that we're working on right now. I can name it really anything I want. So I could say Emily serverless functions. In this case, so look at, there's serverless mom and there's you, Shreya. Do you see yourself?
Yes.
There you go. And then Chloe is behind you.
I beat Daniel. Look at that. Look at that.
I beat all of you.
You beat all of us in every single version of it.
Yeah, so like today what we're here to do is build a new Relic dashboard that will like that so basically what you can do is if you click the 3 dots, do you see the 3 dots next to the chart?
Yes.
If you click that and do get chart link, I believe, is that it? Let's see here. Yeah.
Yep.
You can actually embed the chart as like an HTML thing. So you don't need to be logged into New Relic to do this. So do you see how now this is like a thing?
Ooh.
You can literally put this inside like a embed like iframe in what am I saying? In an HTML page, and then it will like automatically work.
And it will like automatically update every time.
No, it's like dynamic. This is directly data from New Relic.
Yeah, it's gonna update. It's not like a static image. It's gonna update every time.
So let's like try it. So how do we build an HTML page, Shreya?
Are we building an HTML? I thought we were just building this dashboard.
No, because you will have access to this dashboard, but we don't want to create New Relic accounts for every single instructor because then they have to log it. Like this is the problem with SaaS products, right? Is that if you have like something behind a login or if it's like a separate form or a separate page, people will not go to that page. People hate clicking away from things. So we want to make sure it's as low impact as possible, which means we should have this as like, so I want to have a page called progress.bitproject.org or some kind of web page where people can just go and see everyone without having to log in. It's just an HTML page.
It's like a leaderboard. Like you can just access it anytime.
Even students can see like how far everyone is.
Yeah. Jesus and Kim are in our comments. They're watching us. So we got to look good, guys.
Who are these people?
Kim is so good at streaming. Oh my God. I was watching her the other day and she's so like just good at talking and she like she does the shout out thing for everyone. I don't even know how to do the shout out thing. I should probably do that. But yeah.
Hi, Kim.
You won't stream with me. Kim's too cool. I'm just kidding. We should stream together.
Kim's way too cool. She's so, yeah. She's going to be like a star one day. I can see it.
I'm already a star, so like I don't need to do that.
Okay, queen. Okay.
I'm already a star. I'm speaking at Deserted Island DevOps tomorrow, like with Emily.
Yes.
I don't know if you heard, but like I still don't know how to visit another island. So you guys do need to teach me how to do that before tomorrow.
Yeah, you have to like
definitely
get an online subscription, Daniel.
Yeah, I don't know how to do that. So Shreya will be helping me tonight. Set that
also,
up.
Kim, he also just has a really trash memory. That's why he knows who you are. If you talk about it, Daniel, you remember her, right? She's the cool gamer.
Yeah, I know Kim is. We had a
face mask.
conversation. Yeah.
He remembers you.
Kim Doe.
Kim Doe. Okay, cool. So what am I doing?
I have a trash memory. I have an okay memory. Okay, it's not complete trash. Okay, so
kind of. It can fail sometimes, but that's okay. Everyone's memory can fail sometimes.
This is why we need
to that you're getting old.
Okay, we should continue this dashboard. So what are we gonna do to make this like leaderboard?
Okay, so right now I think the colors are pretty cool, right?
But what do you think of like like should we have it like should we filter the NERCL? So like because we only have like 30 students. Theoretically, we could make a NERCL where instead of having like 50, like because what if like students
top 10?
No. But like we want to make sure that we see every student to make
Oh.
sure that like people can see who's falling behind, like the instructors, to like make sure that they're on top of their shit. But you know like how right now it's just everyone. What if we want to filter by only the students that we are mentoring? Because anyone right now can clone a repo and it will show up here, right?
Yeah, that's a good point.
So let's like edit the NERCL query so it only filters by certain repos or certain users.
Mhm.
So Freya, how do you do that?
Are we making a query?
No, we're editing a query.
Yeah.
So-
So
which one?
yeah, the query on the leaderboard thing.
This one?
Not
No,
that one.
on the
Yeah,
left.
this one.
Yeah, that one. There you go.
Okay. So we gonna edit it. You said leaderboard, so I'm gonna change this to leaderboard.
But let's say
Um,
that. But let's say that like we don't want to see Emily's results because Emily's not a student. So how do we make sure that we only see results from Shreda Cray, Lazy Platypus, and Chloe Codes things? Because those are the only students enrolled in our camp.
Filter the current dashboard.
How do you do that?
You enable it. And then you ask yourself, what did that do? That didn't do anything. So then you will realize that you probably have to edit the query. Do you have to edit the query?
Yeah, the answer is not
Yay.
queries because this is not a workshop. So you have to actually use your skills. Didn't you learn how to do this?
Use my SQL skills. Okay, so right now we're selecting the max count from the cabin GitHub. Max count meaning, what is count?
Count is like the step they're on. So let's say they're on step like 7, week 1, step 7. That would be like count 6 because it starts from 0.
Oh, okay, cool. And then from the cabin where the count is not null. Okay, so we don't care about people who haven't started it. The facet is user and the repo name is this. So it's the facet user part. But interesting. How do we say
Why did you add space? You cannot edit the facet. Facet just no. You have to edit the where.
Mhm.
The
where count is not null.
You can do multi.
Yep. So we can like add another statement to that. Mm-hmm.
And is it and?
Yep. Yeah.
And user
is equal
is not.
No, is equal.
To?
Wait, why is it
so
not?
You're correct. Like Shreya's using like reverse logic. Like she wants to just exclude me. Like that would work for now. But in the future, when we have more students that aren't me, we can't like figure out every single student. So we know the students that are supposed to be here, but we don't know all the students that aren't supposed to be here. Does that make sense?
Gotcha. Yeah. So you're gonna like manually write out the names of the students that you want in there?
We know. Yeah.
Okay, so we want lazy. I don't know. Does this need quotation marks or is this good?
Wait, is the keyword here?
You said equal, but equal don't show up. Equal be angry.
No, but like, where can we figure out like what is the correct things instead of trusting Daniel?
Oh, we don't trust Daniel. Okay. New Relic docs.
No, but do we just type in docs and navigate it, or do you just like? Do we type in exactly? No, not. Oh my gosh, this is so frustrating.
Oh, we type in exactly what we want. New Relic query is equal to syntax. New Relic query language. Why is this not scrolling? This is not scrolling at all. My computer is taking a break from existing. Okay, cool. So we want to see the where clause. Attribute value. Okay. Aha.
Yay.
So we could just do equal to. Where was it? Oh, it's here. Where user is equal to lazy platypus. Can we like comma or do we have to write and for everything?
I don't know, Shreya.
Or,
Yeah.
yeah. Shrey the cray.
Can't you like do commas and then like make it into? I don't know. Try it. Like, why are you asking us? Look, there's documentation.
Okay. 3 conditions. Where country. Oh, okay. I could do this. Where.
Wait, Emily, I don't think we have to be here. Shreya got this, you know, like because she has the power of documentation.
I will cry if you leave.
I want to see that though. Honestly.
Can I do this?
What we don't know either. Like, you know, when Emily is not like a super genius, like because
Emily
she
is a super genius.
No. I said you didn't hear the rest of my sentence. I said she's not a super genius because she knows everything. She's a super genius because she can figure out anything. You know,
words from a super genius.
Okay, I don't know.
I'm a super duper genius.
I thought you were gonna say I'm a super doofus. It's like, yeah, you are. Okay.
Why is it red?
Because it's wrong. It don't work.
Yeah, because what's the keyword that works with that?
In. Can I do in here?
No.
Oh. If user is equal. Oh. Okay. What if?
In. Wait, did he use in? Did he use
I can try in.
I don't think in is the right word, but
it says they're in.
We can try it.
Yay!
Hey!
Does it work?
Wait, I lost Chloe's name.
We also want Michael's, right?
Yes.
Okay, but it's not working. If you scroll all the way down, wait, do you see how count is not null? There's no.
Where count is not null and wait.
Wait, sure.
Wait, let me just. I'm just getting the names that I need.
You can't add the and at the very end.
I'm not. I'm just getting the usernames. And then I'll go back. Cool.
Should we? Is Nika a student, Daniel?
I mean, it doesn't matter. We're gonna change this after we start the camp.
Yeah. Just for fun. All right, now we can add it.
Is not null. You said and. Oh, wait. So the and was already there.
No, and it's because you pasted it in.
Why? It's Michael's.
Just delete Michael. It's fine. This is just it doesn't need to be real. But the not null is not.
Wait, there's still a 0.
Is it and where? Like, do I have to write where again here?
No. I don't think so.
Where? What if I did user first? I don't know if that would change anything. Where user and count is not null.
That's kind of weird though, because Daniel did have a ton of other null counts, but they're not showing up now.
How about instead of null, it says greater than 0?
Yeah.
Is count is greater than 0?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that works actually.
Awesome.
Cool. Yeah.
Now we can put it on an HTML page, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we're creating the HTML page. We got to get that VS Code.
You can just do it in CodePen.
In what?
CodePen.
Okay. CodePen. What?
Codependency.
Oh, we got a comment from Ali that asked, do you have any games on your phone? Hi, do you have any games on your phone? I have Candy Crush and I just uninstalled 2048, so it's only Candy Crush.
The dedication to that question. I love it.
Wait, let me show you how many levels I'm on. Wait, let me load it real quick. Wow, ending with Ali is super pressed today for some reason. She just really wants some banh
She just really wants to know.
I want banh too. I'm on vacation and working. Okay, that sounds fun. You know, I wouldn't do that personally.
Vacation is a lie.
I'm gonna go on vacation after Future Stack, but maybe not. You know, because I was thinking about it. I'm like, what am I gonna do on vacation? You know, I was like, I was probably gonna do whatever I was gonna do when I was working, like work on Bit Project and stuff, and like work on talks and CFPs. So I'm like, do I really need vacation? So maybe I won't take a vacation, you know? That's
Do you
my
want to create a pen or a project?
a pen.
Okay, cool. So we're gonna be like, yo, let's get that embedded chart. Yeah.
I mean, no one wants to go to Napa with me, you know? So it's like, you know, like what am I gonna do in Napa by myself? It's really sad.
Oh wait, that's not. This is not marked down. Sorry.
I should probably like back to editing my Future Stack talk. Good luck, Ali. Have fun with that.
Good
Wait,
luck.
Daniel, what's your other Future Stack talk? Is it just the what's it called?
Yeah, I'm giving like another talk around. Oh, I'm giving the Animal Crossing talk at Future Stack as well because I didn't want to write another one.
Nice. Oh, sure. I think we have to use an iframe embedding.
Fish, you're in Canada. You can't even come here.
I have to do an iframe.
Mhm.
It's
Is
okay.
it just
No one wants
iframe?
to go to,
Okay, cool.
no one wants to go to Napa with me. That's cool. You know. Not with
We're
that.
having two separate conversations in one stream.
Yeah.
I'm confused.
Daniel went from gaming to banh mi's to vacationing to Napa.
Yay, it works, but it's really ugly.
Okay, so let's increase that width to 100%.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no.
Okay, there we go.
Oh, it will. Okay, never mind. It just took a second to load. Yeah. And then height. Wow, check that. It's not working. I will just do like.
No, why is it not working? That's not the reason.
It's not?
URL.
Huh?
Check the URL of the iframe.
Oh.
Parameters.
Yeah.
Why did you delete it? Why don't you want to set it to like a higher height?
Yeah.
But don't we want to make it like 100% though, so the web page like automates it? Or else if you just set it to set value, wouldn't it look weird on certain computers?
Mm-hmm. I don't think that it accepts that as a parameter though. If you don't know, should you look up documentation or should you just try random things?
You should try random things until it works.
I hope like your future employers are listening to this and being
like,
wow, this lady doesn't even like documentation. Shreya hates documentation, everyone.
Hey man, why would you say that? Well, it looks beautiful. I think it looks great. You could just like scroll through all of them.
Well, that sounds fun. Have fun with the stream, Shreya.
Thanks, man. Why is it not working?
It's okay, Shreya. I'll make the webpage. Don't worry.
Okay.
But what other information do the instructors need to like run the camp though? Because like we just have this chart. Like, is that it, or do we need something else? That's why we're here to discuss.
Oh, for the instructors, so they know what step all of their students are at from highest to lowest.
And they can even
students they are.
It'd
be really cool if there was a way in which they could specifically see students who are not on the right steps
Also,
without
I
having to.
think it'd be good because I've logged the links to the comments the students are writing and the links to the workflow runs that the students are writing. So you can see what happened with the code and if it like failed and stuff like that. So it'd be
Yeah.
really cool if you just click on it.
Well, yeah. So Emily, why don't you share your screen and then let's try doing that.
Cool. I have dark mode because I'm cool.
Wait, Shreya, while we do that,
Oh, she's cool, so she's got dark mode. Okay. That was a flex. I don't know. Wait, let me.
Shreya, while we do that, can you
Yeah.
can we like take some notes around exactly like what the New Relic dashboard, like what type of information that we need from the New Relic dashboard, and like how we can like use New Relic dashboard to figure out where. Wait, never mind. It's
I
fine.
want there to be a view in which the thing I just said, where instructors can see which students are behind without having to like scroll and see which steps.
No, but like, if ideally in the instructors, there'd be only like mentoring 5 students, right? So they probably won't have to scroll because it's 5 bars, you know, right? Because they don't have to see every other team's thing, right, for their dashboard.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so
Correct.
they'll have their own. Each team will have their own dashboard.
Yeah,
Okay.
because it's
Makes
free
sense. Makes sense.
dashboards. It's free.
So first, let's just see what like the data looks like. What do you mean no chart data available? Let's do this quarter. There we go. So as you can see here, we have really cool stuff such as the direct link to the comments the students make. So if I clicked on this, I could see the comment I made.
You can also see the feedback. Ooh, there should be a feedback table.
Yeah,
From-
there is a feedback table. We can filter that. Select
Ooh,
feedback.
spicy.
Oops. From cabin GitHub where feedback is not null. And then there we go. We see some.
Wait, can we not show the timestamp one, or like reverse the order?
So like get rid of
right?
timestamp.
Yeah, because I feel like, well, not get rid of it. Put it to the right of feedbacks, because I feel like that's more important.
Yeah, we might need to do some Googling for that.
Oh yeah. Let's not do it then. We can do it later. Honestly, it's not a big deal.
So right now it's kind of like ugly because this is when I messed up the bot because I was coding the dev one. This was me really frustrated. I wrote attempt 100 because it wouldn't work.
No, but let's add it to the dashboard. It's cool.
Yeah, okay. So it's just that feedback actually doesn't look like this. I'm gonna make a bigger time frame since last week.
Yeah, that's good. And run it. Yeah, that's perfect. And let's add it to the dashboard.
All right. Oh, I should have added a chart name. Okay, widget title. Let's make it
Feedback.
Student feedback.
Perfect. Let's add it to the instructor dashboard. Great.
Let's close it and see what it looks like. So we have a started student feedback over here.
Uh-huh.
Cool.
That's nice.
What else do we want?
So wait, Emily, in the student progress one, let's take out at your name. So because I want to show Shreya like that you don't really need to like have a separate thing that shows student progress. Can you go back?
Yeah.
And then they're gonna kick me out of the WeWork. If you go back to the student progress widget and edit the NERCL query, you out of the NERCL query.
Wait, did we not save the NERCL query when Shreya edited
Oh
this
my god. That would probably be an issue. So,
out?
oh my gosh. But we remember, right?
Yeah, we remember
Yeah.
it.
Oh my god.
I swear I thought I saved it, but it's okay.
You know, it's okay, Shreya.
It's okay.
It's all good.
We have a genius right here.
We do a queen
I
coder.
think it's in. I think it's in.
Yeah.
And let's
Yeah,
do Shreya Cray and Chloe Codes things and serverless mom.
Chloe codes things.
And a serverless server is missing an R.
Oops, serverless.
And then let's
Summer.
run and then see what happens. See, like if it's like 3 things, it's like pretty manageable, you know? Like I feel like this is enough. Yeah, save it.
Yay.
Like, would this be manageable, Shreya, if we had like 3 students, but if it was 5 students, it'd be 5 bars? Would that like because you don't need to scroll, right?
Yeah, I think it will be manageable. Yeah, this is great.
And then
Now,
we can see exactly which students are performing badly.
Yeah.
Like
should we
like-
make a personalized widget for each student so you can see exactly each step and then exactly which the comments they've made and stuff like that?
ooh, that'd be really good too. Yeah, yeah.
Awesome. That sounds cool. Let's do that right now. And then we can add emojis to make it look pretty. But that's not necessary right now.
And then, oh my gosh, after this, we should do a blog post with Nika.
Yeah, that would be really cool. I'm totally
We can be official developer advocates, you know, because you got to milk that content like it's a cow. Okay, wrong metaphor. Terrible
Yeah.
metaphor. Ooh, I'm gonna go swimming after this. I'm gonna go to the pool.
That's
open.
cool.
Oh my gosh, my friend got me a gift. He got me a present. I got this like underwater MP3 player so you can like listen to music while you swim.
Wait, where do you put it?
That's cool.
Hey, you attach it to your goggles. Like this.
Wow.
That's really nice.
Oh, sorry, I have to pay you back. I got paid today. Well,
Cool.
my old startup paid me from 6 months ago.
Hey, at least you got it. Hey, Nicholas.
Wait, Shreya, can you remind me to pay you later?
Yeah, I will remind you until the day
You
you
can lord
die.
it over me. You know, it's
Yeah,
like
yeah.
All right, guys, what do
I-
we want? So we obviously
What do
want
we
the
want?
user. Do we want the type? Do we want the title? Do we want the repo name? What do we want?
I think we just need the repo name.
And the user. We actually, if we're making an individual one for each user, we don't need to have the username because that's pointless.
Daniel, we see your booty move.
He just moved out of the camera.
Okay, cool.
You're so mean, Shreya. Stop body shaming me.
I'm not mean. I'm not body shaming you. You look great. I just don't think
Okay,
it's
Shreya,
that type of
I
a
need
stream.
I need to leave because
Okay.
my work is kicking me out. But yeah.
You
How
go
about break
ahead.
the
Me
stream?
and Emily got this.
Yeah, after that, good luck with the week 1 edits
for each
because
user.
we really need help with that.
Okay. If you want to play Animal Crossing later, you should still join back though.
I might have to go eat dinner though because it's 8 on my end.
Oh shoot, I forget it's so late for you. Yeah.
That's why it's really dark in my room, even though I've
Yeah.
probably turned my ring light on. There we go. Okay, so what we have here. So we're gonna select repo name. What? Is that another thing?
How did you get the view of like all of the columns?
All the columns. I just did
Yeah.
select wildcard, which is this little asterisk thing, and then it
Ah.
displays everything. It's pretty
Nice.
cool. I'm gonna make it. I'm also gonna add title, repo name. I don't know if it's gonna work because it's even called repo name. And then I'm also gonna add link. And actually, I'm not gonna add repo name. I'm just gonna add repo because that takes you Just click run. Nice. So we have the title of the step,
Mm-hmm.
the repo. So if you click on this, it takes you to the repository, and then the link, if you click on it, it takes you to the thing that made the student move on. So let's say they did a comment to move on. If you click
Yeah.
on here, let me just click on it for demonstration. So, this doesn't let me because I'm sharing tab, but
Yeah.
anyways, I clicked on it and then the comment that Daniel made on a pull request appeared.
Oh, cool. That's actually great because if it's like one of those, if it is like especially for the comments, then you can just
Yeah,
directly
you
go and
just click
check.
on it, and then if they made like a pull request with code, you can just click on it and it shows you the code.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. I'm also gonna add this to dashboard. So yeah, this one's just gonna be called Daniel. Should we make one for you, Shreya?
Yes, make one for me.
So yeah, so you can see here there's a repo and there's a link. So
Okay, so you're gonna have one of these for every student in each team, right?
there we go. Yeah. Can we like duplicate this?
Oh, that's a good question.
Oh, you can copy. Let's try copying and see what happens. Oh, that's so nice. You can just
Oh, perfect.
okay, so let's call this Shreya. Oh, we put Daniel's last name so we can put your last name too.
Yep, yeah.
Copy.
Awesome.
And then it says added to dashboard. Where'd it go?
Maybe reload it.
Where's Shreya?
Hmm.
Oh, you're down here.
Oh, it's at the bottom, yeah.
Yeah. Let's delete these. I don't know what these are for. They're not of use. Why is this so long?
I have no idea.
Right,
Maybe we were trying to build them and oh, it's not even a query. Never mind.
and then this, okay. I don't know what's up with this. Oh, this is the percentages. All right, let's edit Shreya's. So Shreya,
Wait.
what are we gonna change? What's the only thing we need to change in here? This query.
Just my name.
Yeah. What's your
Yeah. Sure the cray.
Shrey the Cray. Let's make sure it works. Oh my gosh,
It
look at
works.
that.
So if you have like, you know how in your case you have multiple different versions of it, will it show everything for every version?
What do you mean by version?
Sorry, like you know how for you, like you created like new templates every time you were testing something?
Yeah.
So for your case, if we had your username, it would show every single one of them,
That's
right?
right. It would show everything. And then usually it only shows like the latest ones, so the ones that happened most recently. So let's say like a student accidentally created one and they stopped using it, it most likely wouldn't be a problem because they wouldn't be working on the old one anymore. So it would eventually just disappear from the thing.
Awesome.
Yeah. So one thing that kind of sucks is I can't move it, but because Daniel's creating an HTML page, he can just position the stuff everywhere.
Yes.
Needs. All right. Do you think there's anything else we can add to make the instructors' lives easier?
So they know the progress of the students. They know it in order of like who's doing the best, who's doing the worst. And they know like this, they have the specific links to each of the students.
Yeah. And they also have feedback that students are giving. Maybe if I like show the data that we do have, that might give you like a better idea.
Oh yeah, that'll
what
help.
we can do. Select from cabin GitHub. Oops.
Ooh.
Maybe it's because
1 week ago.
Oh, that's a good point. I think you're right. Oops.
Oh no. Okay.
Perfect.
Okay, so we're seeing Yeah.
feedback, and then the link. The path was originally going to be for like the front end, so Daniel could query for a path name and then just display it on a page in the front end. But that's not super applicable now. And then of course the repo name, the title, type of step. So whether they started a new, maybe they started a new camp, or they started a new step, or they gave some feedback.
Oh, okay, cool. I think we pretty much have everything, right?
Yeah,
Do we
I
have the
agree.
type listed in the we just added?
No, we don't. That's a good, we can add it here. Do you think it's necessary though? Because what do you think? Is it necessary to know when they start a new step versus when they create a new course? Because they're only going to create a course once, right?
That's true. Yeah, I don't think it's going to make that big of a difference, honestly. I think this is good.
If we want to be extra, we could create a table where it just shows every time someone created a new course.
What do you mean?
So, because we know the date and time when students start a course for the first time. So we could have like a list of who started it when, but I don't think it'd be super relevant in the long run.
Yeah, I think that would, I mean, it would help in like the first week just to make sure that
See
all the
like who
students have
started
kind
it.
of,
We could like,
yeah.
okay, we don't have any graphs in here, so why don't we make a graph?
Let's do it.
Let's do select. I think we have to make it a number. So what? Let me look at
Hey.
recent queries.
Yeah. Hey, Jesus. Daniel had to go. He was in the WeWork and they closed at 5, so he had to head out for a second.
What's WeWork?
WeWork's like one of those offices where you can rent out and just like work outside of the office. Yeah.
I think we can use one of these. Oh, there we go. From before.
Oh, perfect.
Let's do
1,000.
Yeah, I don't even know what Okay, so we have users. Oh, I have no idea. Who's Real Christian?
It's the guy who I streamed with. He works at New Relic as well.
Oh, that's cool.
He has a lot of followers.
Oh. What's cool about this is you can just like choose what you want. So you can have bullets, you can have histogram, you can have a heat map. I don't know what a funnel is, but
oh damn, that's so cool.
Yeah. So this is just for identifying which users have created one, but we don't really like care about that. We want numbers. So count. This is for like figuring out how many people have started. This is just for like demonstration purposes because I don't think we'd use it too much. But what's cool about this is you can see when people created one. So 2,
oh, I like that.
Yeah, and then on this day, 4 was created because that was me testing it. That was yesterday, yeah. And
what is
even
the one where it like flat lines at the top?
Flat lines. So this was 26th. So during this time frame, one person created it here, and then one person created it here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's like each little increments of time. So that's pretty cool, I think.
Yeah.
And then
it's pretty. Let's add it. Yeah.
Yeah. Add it for the pretty factor. And then count created, we can add it here. Awesome. So now let's see what it looks like. And we have a nice little graph now. I wish you could move these, like drag them around, the widgets.
Oh, you can't?
I don't think so.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
That's okay. I guess that's why we have the
HTML
website version. Yeah.
So what do you think, Shira? Isn't it pretty cool?
It looks pretty cool. I'm just gonna reload it on my end so I can see the. Yeah. Oh my god.
And like when you reload the page, I think the little progress bars like are animated, so they go like, zoop.
Oh my god, really?
I don't know. You can try. I think they are like that.
Oh.
Let's
I think
try.
it happened maybe like the first time that you like load the page. It's not happening right now. Mm, mm, mm. Is it
It's still
taking
New
a
Relic
second?
is always reloads pretty slow. All right, watch the. Oh, they don't. Okay,
Oh,
I forget
yeah.
them. But I don't know why I thought they were animated.
That'd be so cool though. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this stream, right?
Yeah, nice. That was fun. A lot of pretty things.
And then you have your conference tomorrow, which is going to be really exciting.
Animal Crossing. So
Yeah. Do you want to talk about like what you're going to be presenting there?
yeah, so Daniel is doing a workshop about New Relic, and it's if any of you have heard of Capture the Flag competitions, it's kind of like that. They're basically where you solve like you fight against an evil villain named Debug in New Relic, and it's super cool because and it basically we're making a talk centered around this workshop where we're going to be explaining how to make DevOps more appealing to everyone because it's really not as complex as people may think. It's just that a lot of workshops or demonstrations set a bunch of barriers so that people might see as unapproachable and not good for beginners. So we're explaining how to take down that barrier. And of course, it'll be an Animal Crossing. So that's
Yes.
like the top. That's like, I mean, like you can just come just to see that part. Just
That's really exciting. So in the one this weekend, you're going to be kind of talking about, are you going to be doing the actual capture the flag or are you going to be talking about it?
oh no, we're just talking about it. How like we incorporated stuff like characters, storylines, and stuff like that that makes DevOps more appealing and engaging. And that's why the talk is called DevOps for high schoolers because
Yeah.
you know if you can get a high schooler interested in it, why can't you get an industry professional into it?
Yes. I'm just trying to see if I can find the link for it. I know, like, I don't know if
You
there's
can
a
like
way
send
to.
out a tweet. I mean, I
Yeah.
mean like a link to my tweet, or I can find it on Twitter.
Yeah. But that's going to be really exciting. I want to see it. I want to know what you guys are doing in Animal Crossing without me.
It's also Animal Crossing themed slides. So,
That's so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited.
all right, so you can register here. I'll send it. Oh, okay, wait. That has a Twitter link. It's a Twitter link embed.
I have the tweet from Deserted Island. Oh, you got it. Perfect. Awesome. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to be back in like 20 minutes with Cole and we're just going to stream Animal Crossing.
Cool. I'll watch 5 time. Have fun.
Awesome. Go eat food. Go get some dinner. I'll talk to you later.
Thank you. Bye,
Yeah,
Shreya.
bye.